everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Well, I did manage to get out to the Dollar Tree on Sunday to see if I could find any half price items, and this particular Dollar Tree that I go to does discount their seasonal items 50%, but not all the Dollar Trees that I've gone to do that. Let me know in the comment section below if your Dollar Tree discounts your seasonal items 50% off. So I did pick up a few things. I think there were only a couple things that were not seasonal, but the rest were, and that was all I ended up getting, besides just some regular 100% whole wheat Wonder Bread. But I will go through the items one by one so that you can see what I did pick up, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off the haul, I picked up an item that I really love when I find at the Dollar Tree, and that is the mini wreaths, and they are by Christmas House. They have the white berries, they also have the red berries. Now, when I did find these last time, I ended up getting more of the red and they didn't have any white. So it's funny how this is the first time that I actually saw these at the Dollar Tree, the white ones. And I do love the white because there's a lot of times when I like to add more color in my decor, and then sometimes I really just want to keep it all white, especially because I decorate for winter, so I do use a lot of white in my decor. Now the only thing is I wish that I had picked up a few more. This time around they actually had a whole little shelf that was full of these, and they had the red and the white, but I only picked up 6 because I was thinking I wanted to put these on my chandelier in my dining room. And if I end up putting them on before I upload this video, I'll take a picture to show you what it looks like. So I did end up getting 6, but again, I wish that I had gotten more. Do you do that as well when you get home? Do you say, darn it, I should have just picked up a few more? That is me most of the time, especially for 63 cents. I really should have got a few more. Next, I picked up, there was only 2, one of each buffalo check in the white and black and red and black, and they are the wine bottle bags, which I love. So I will find something to do with these if I don't use them for a wine bottle bag. I then picked up some treat bags. You get 15 in a package. I actually hadn't even seen these until this time around. I think they're super cute. They have a snowman's face on the front and on the back. So they only had 3 packages of those and I grabbed them. Then they had some loot bags. These I will be giving to a friend. You get 6 in a bag, and I only seen this one pack here. They say Merry Christmas, and they have the red truck with the tree in the back. Very cute. And then I was really excited to come across this gift box. I only saw the one again, because as I said, they were just down to the very last things that they had. So these 3 gift boxes, you can see the one has the red truck, and I just love this picture. And it says, it has the pictures on the front here. All hearts come home for Christmas. Then they have a little wagon with a tree inside, which is super cute, that says Merry Christmas. And then the 3rd box says May your Christmas be merry and bright, and that's on the back, which I love this one as well. I picked up a sign. They had a few of them left. The one had the red truck, but I had already purchased those from before, so I didn't want to grab any more of those. I was almost going to grab them just because they were the tag decor sign, and I always like to use those for DIYs because you can do so many things with them. but I just decided to pass on those. And I picked up this one just because it's super cute, gnome for the holidays with this adorable little gnome. I picked up 4 of these. They were the last 4, and they are the mason jars that say "Have a Jolly Christmas." Of course, I will be using these for DIY. Not sure what I will be doing with them yet, but that's why I picked them up. And then I picked up this lone gingerbread container, tin container, and I just thought it was super cute. Again, I think these are really nice to put in a tray or a 2 or 3 tiered tray, just to use for decor. That's the reason I picked it up. I then came across a few ornaments. They had very, very little ornaments left. There was this last package and the red truck actually fell out in the bag, so I gotta put that back on there. But I picked up this 4-piece pack of the red trucks with the trees by Christmas House. I picked up a couple of these stag heads, and I love these ones because they have the wreath around the stag head. I could only find the 2, but they are the stag head, which I absolutely love, so I will find somewhere to place these. And then finally I came across the LED lanterns, and you can see here in Canada, $1.50. I was really on the lookout for these. They had a ton of the green left that have the Christmas tree on it, but I was more so looking for these ones with the deer. I love this. So I was only able to come across the one red, but happy just the same. I mean, for 63 cents, that is a great deal. And I love the size of these lanterns. Really great size. So if I happen to come across another Dollar Tree and they have a few more of them left, I definitely will pick up a few more red if I can. But if not, I'm glad to finally bring these home. And the last items to show you, I was going to include this in the seasonal, but I just came across it now. It is the Avengers, Marvel Avengers Play Pack, and it's shaped as a stocking. You get 4 crayons, 1 sticker sheet, and 24-page coloring book. So I just picked this up for my daughter for 63 cents as she loves to color, and she also likes the Avengers. Then I came across the Transformers. They are the keychains, but I know someone who is crazy about Transformers, so I thought they would enjoy these. So I have Soundwave, Bumblebee, Megatron, and Optimus Prime. I picked up this headband. It was super cute for my daughter. She just got a reborn doll, and I thought this would be really cute for her since she does have rooted hair, which she was so excited about. So I think this will look cute in her hair. And yeah, super cute. It has glitter here and then the little pom-poms. And then the only other thing that I saw new this time around are these decor pieces, and I believe there were 4 different ones. I'm sure I took pictures of them, so you'll see them at the beginning or the end of this video. But I only brought this one home that said Home Sweet Home, and then it has a little hanging hook here with the 2 little hooks into one so that you can hang keys or something very lightweight. And I thought it was really cute. You do have to be very careful though, because I did see a lot of these that the hooks broke off. Some of them were bent. Sometimes the things at Dollar Tree are not always in the greatest shape. There's things that are chipped a lot of times, so you really have to sort through them. But that's what I found with these. But I thought this was really cute. I may just add it to the trailer so that we can hang up our keys, but yeah, that'll do it for this Dollar Tree haul, guys. So let me know as well in the comments, did you go to your Dollar Tree and find any items, as I said, 50% off? And what did you find? It's funny because, like I said, this time around I saw some things that I didn't see the previous times that I had gone. So that's always nice, especially when you like it and you can get it for half the price. Well guys, again, that will do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. And as always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.